Welcome to our DxConnect demo video. Today, we will be demonstrating how to use DxConnect to create a secure remote connection using DxOdyssey's software-defined perimeter tunneling technology. We will be establishing a remote SSH connection to a Red Hat VM running in Azure called RHEL 1 without opening any ports to the public internet. We will deploy a DxOdyssey gateway in the DH2I office in Fort Collins, Colorado, as well as a gateway in Azure. Our remote user will be able to connect on the Red Hat machine via the closest gateway automatically without any custom user intervention. We will accomplish all of this without a VPN or a direct link. Here we have two gateways, Lab 5 and Win 1. The DxOdyssey gateway software has been installed on both machines, and they've been joined together to create a gateway group. Now let's start the real fun. First, we will create our tunnel by going to the Tunnel Manager tab and clicking Add Tunnel. Next, we have to give our tunnel any name. In this case, we're entering RHEL 1 SSH. Then we choose the destination tunnel gateway, which is Win 1, since that's in the same local area network where the RHEL 1 machine resides. Then, we enter the host name or IP address for the target. Here we are entering the host name RHEL 1. Next, we specify the port number for our target. Since this is an SSH tunnel, we're inputting port 22. After clicking Add Row, we choose our origin gateway, Lab 5, and define the network that is allowed by Lab 5. Then, we set the local port on the origin gateway that we want to create the listener on. We're setting this to an available port on this machine, 30,022. Then clicking OK to commit the tunnel definition. Now that the tunnel is created, we can view its properties by clicking on it. Next, we will define a remote client by going to the Client and Group Manager tab and clicking Add New Client. Enter the username and password for the new user and click Submit. On this screen, we can see that we've created a new client named User1. Next, we export the configuration file and save it to our machine to be distributed to our remote user. Now we'll go back to the Tunnel Manager tab to grant the new client access to the SSH tunnel. Once we've selected our tunnel, we click Manage Clients, and then Add Client. From here, we choose User1 as the client we want to add and enter the listening port we want to create on his machine for this tunnel. In this case, it's 30,022. After clicking Add Selected and then Submit, User1 has now been granted access to the tunnel we created earlier in the demo. Next, we're going to go to our client's machine and install DxConnect. By double-clicking the installer file and clicking through the prompts, the installation will begin. DxConnect is an extremely lightweight application and only takes seconds to install. Then we open the DxConnect UI and enter the path to the configuration file, along with the username and password set up for this client earlier in the demo. As you can see, User1 now has access to the RHEL 1 SSH tunnel on port 30,022. From here, we're going to open a PuTTY session. We'll enter the local loopback address 127.0.0.1 and the listening port number for our tunnel 30,022. Next, you can see we've logged in and been authenticated by the SSH. From the DxConnect status window, we can see details of our connection. Remote client management is always real-time with DxOdyssey. To remove a client from having access to a tunnel, all you have to do is click on Manage Clients, double-click the Clients folder, select the user you want to remove, click Remove from Tunnel, and Submit. The user instantly loses access, as you can see by the error dialog box from PuTTY. As you've seen in this video, configuring and granting remote users access to their applications is a very simple process with DxConnect and DxOdyssey. You can even configure groups of remote users for tunnel access. And it's not just limited to SSH. With just a few clicks, you can create additional tunnels to allow remote access to any TCP app anywhere. Thank you for watching our DxConnect demo video. For a free 30-day trial of our software, visit dh2i.com/trial. Or, for a deeper, more personalized demo, visit dh2i.com/demo. Please contact us at info@dh2i.com or visit dh2i.com for more information. We hope to hear from you soon.